Imagine opening just one app and getting everything you ever wanted from crypto. Trading, staking, earning, borrowing. All happening at the pace your day actually needs. If you want crypto that feels truly alive, this is where it begins. Everything shown in this video is for educational purposes only. CZR Exchange has one of the fastest dashboards out there. Everything loads instantly. You can have a spot account, invest in cryptocurrencies right away, boost your profits with leverage and margin, and even start spot grid trading. They have an instant swap feature, so you can really feel the speed and convert one crypto to another in no time. And their task center lets you complete simple tasks and earn bonuses by finishing missions. The platform is leveling up quickly and attracting traders from all over the world. Welcome to CZR Exchange. CZR is a global crypto exchange designed for people who want seamless trading. It's a single ecosystem where you can trade, stake, lend, borrow, earn, or even copy top performers. Everything is optimized for fast execution, low fees, and top-notch security. Let's introduce the features that deliver real value. Mortgage lending allows users to borrow or earn by using their crypto as collateral. Copy trading helps beginners automatically mirror the moves of top traders. And their high-level KYC and compliance measures keep accounts secure. They even provide 24/7 support so users never get stuck. You can access it by clicking the pop-up at the bottom right and start chatting with them right away. And the vision is way bigger. The CZR wallet is multi-chain secure, and it's designed for real, everyday use. They'll be launching the CZR card soon for instant crypto spending, and their native token, CZR, powers rewards, ecosystem access, fees, and future perks. Their affiliate program lets users earn by referring others, and the whole interface remains beginner-friendly, yet still powerful for pros. You can click the link down in the description. Create your account, start completing your tasks, and earn rewards. Our users don't just want to trade, they want to live in crypto. With the CZR wallet and the CZR card, that vision becomes reality. That's an exclusive insight from the founder, Charlie Rothkopf. If you've been waiting for a crypto exchange that actually feels modern, this is your signal. Explore it, try off the features, collect rewards in the task center, and experience how much smoother trading feels when everything is designed to keep up with your pace. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and leave any questions you have in the comments. We'll answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.